Zaidy, do you like bake? Yeah. Hey, what's your name?
Sit.
How old are you?
Good.
Good boy. What's this?
Bus.
What's this?
Big.
Huh?
Big.
And what's this?
Back.
Whose truck is it?
Diddy.
David's truck?
Money.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
It's a nice truck. Where's David's backhoe?
No buckle.
Don't know where it is?
Yeah.
Can you say Cameron?
Gummy.
Good boy. Can you say computer?
Buddy.
Hmm.
Buckle.
Where is it? Where's David's backhoe?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah.
Can you say there?
No.
No, you couldn't find it?
Yeah.
Where is it? Zaidy, is Baba playing football?
Yeah.
Can you say football?
Buckle.
Basketball? Close enough. Those are mats. Mat.
Over there.
It doesn't open. Closed.
Gummy.
Cameron plays with those, right? And David? What's up?
Diddy.
Mm-hmm.
Diddy.
Yeah?
Diddy.
That's the letter A. You know ABC?
Yeah.
Can you sing it?
He.
Sing ABC. What's that?
B.
B. Good boy. Yeah? What's that? What's that?
B.
Yeah? Is that the letter B? Are those blocks?
Yeah.
Do we play with them outside? On the slide?
Google. Google.
Murphy couscous.
Google.
No, Murphy.
Mama.
Are you going to cook? Can you cook soup? Okay, Zaidy, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye.
Can you blow a kiss? Can you say, I love you? Say, I love you. No.
Money.
No, not you. Zaidy. Zaidy, yalla. Say, I love you. Hey. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Money. Money.
Nice hat.
Mom, Papa. Mom.